Not all homes have four walls, especially when you consider nature as your home. But sometimes, our basic homely needs don't permit us to have a wanderlust. But what if we say you can now bring out a piece of your home on the lap of nature? Sounds thrilling, right? Most innovative camper vans are more than just a mere transport and sleeping accommodation. You can now enjoy all outdoor fun with all your home facilities because many camper van options today have innovative features and amenities. So, in today's video, we'll be showing you the 5 most innovative camper vans and Class B motorhomes for a comfortable and home-like travel experience.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
When it comes to family or group camping, you need a larger space for a relaxing holiday. In this term, Knaus Boxlife 630ME is quite popular among RV travelers and also the largest camper van on a list today for its vast interior space. Speaking of its interior space, it has a regular sleeping capacity of 3 people, and in case if you have more members, then you can easily set the optional front lifting bed and make a sleeping space for 7 people. Besides, the payload is 1150 pounds, whereas towing load is 5510 pounds. It means you can safely carry the maximum weight of your daily essentials while traveling. Moving on to its construction, the floor plate has the sandwich pattern and EPS integral insulation with poplar plywood and PVC. As a result, your camper van will stay warm even in snowy weather. All in all, Knaus Boxlife 630ME will be an ideal choice for a large family or group outdoor trip. You can consider it like your home, where you can drive wherever you want. Coming up is our next camper van called Winnebago Solis, a beautifully crafted camper van for any off-road adventurous trip. No matter where your destination is, this vehicle will give you the freedom of heading out anywhere with your family without any issues. As it's designed for outdoor trips with your family, you can easily use the fiberglass-built pop-up top for additional space, so it allows for 2 more people. And in total, there are 4 sleeping beds designed after the Froley sleep system to ensure convenient size and ease. Besides, this van features automotive-grade seating along with 3-point belts for added safety, especially when the car is moving. By providing an optional sofa, it ensures flexible and comfortable seating. When it comes to the much-needed power supply, it's got a 1-panel solar system of 220 watt on the pop-top roof. Plus, for water supply, it has a freshwater tank along with eco-hot water systems. Therefore, you can get a pure and continuous water supply during your camping, glamping, or any outdoor recreation event. In case you're interested in winter camping, you'll be needing extra warmth inside, which will be ensured by its premium insulation system throughout the van. So, whether it's rainy or snowy weather, it will provide you the ultimate warmth protection. As per our recommendation, Winnebago Solis will be a great addition to your next family trip with its travel convenience and innovative features like premium insulation, pop-up top, and large capacity. Thor Sanctuary camper van cannot be overlooked for its beautiful and compact interior design, which allows you to feel the comfort of home even when you're far away from your residence. This compact camper van comes with the premium quality chassis of Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Chassis 2500. which is constructed with active four-wheel steering mechanism to ensure the safest off-road journeys. Plus, its back alloy wheels along with optional off-road tires ensure safe travel on any harsh driving or off-road. You'll be impressed by its small yet accommodated mobile kitchen with almost everything that you need for every day. This compactly furnished kitchen will allow you to cook your favorite home-cooked dishes anytime, anywhere. Apart from the kitchen, you will get a cassette toilet with a combi water heating system to supply warm water. Besides, the premium interior design is going to give you the luxurious feel of hotels. When it comes to having the best compact design with all the essential features for comfortable traveling, then Thor Sanctuary is the one you can rely on for its luxurious interior furnishing. The next one on our list is the Xbus Camper, which has broken the stereotypical design language of the regular camper vans and came up with a standard yet unique design. This camper van is designed with a standard chassis of couch surface approx with camping module 1+2 that comes with the outlook of Class A but in a compact size of Class B, so you can experience a space-saving yet luxurious camper van trip. Moreover, it has a 10 kWh battery capacity with a long range of up to 124 miles, which allows you to travel some extra miles towards your destination. Its electrically controlled all-wheel drive makes it one of the speediest camper vans among the rest. Plus, it ensures the safest travels while you're planning to head out off-road. Having a modular setup, it offers a larger space including flatbed, TV, fridge, sink, and water tank. As it has 3 module solar roof, you need not worry about the power supply of all new electronic appliances. For ensuring your comfort and ease during adventurous trips along with the flexibility of unique design, this Xbus camper van is a smart choice to pick. Nissan NV200 is the best overall option on the list today for its premium features along with travel-compatible design and options, so it will ensure your best comfortable and home-like adventurous trip. As this van is particularly crafted with the base of NV200 Evelia and NV200, it includes the winter camper that benefits from Nissan's electric powertrain technology. Therefore, you'll get the zero-emission camper van concept for sustainable winter adventure. This all-electric camper van is designed with premium off-road tires, so no matter the road is covered with snow or mud, you'll be getting the best driving experience. When it comes to the design, it ensures top-notch quality with its custom Nissan Camper Technology luxury kit. Hence, it maximizes the ultimate comfort along with versatile, self-sufficient living. Plus, its rooftop solar panels with the 220-volt power pack offer a long-running power supply, so you can easily charge up your electronic essentials for your multi-day tours. To sum up, this best overall Nissan NV200 is the all-in-one camper van when you prefer impressive travel compliance features, compact design, and versatile optimizations. So, these are the 5 most innovative camper vans and Class B motorhomes. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.